Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm very excited to show you today how to work with and take advantage of print on demand when using e-commerce. There are several different print on demand platforms to try out, but today I am using Printful. There are several advantages for using more than one print on demand platform. Each platform tends to offer different products, different services. Printful has all over printing, and you can also print on fabric, which could come in handy if you sew or if you want to make something. They also have pillows, bathing suits, puzzles, notebooks, joggers, leggings, you name it, they have it there. You can totally create a store that's totally dependent on print on demand. You don't even have to have any on-hand products. Just create a store complete of designs that you created on Canva or wherever you created your designs, import them onto Printful, print on demand service, and you have your own business. You pay for the domain, you pay for like Shopify or whatever service you'd like to use, e-commerce service you'd like to use. But yeah, you don't even have to buy anything. You just make designs and then sell them, put them on any product you want, list them, and there you go. In my previous video, I talked briefly about merch, and merch can have really high returns if you take your time on it. There have been so many times that I personally would have purchased merch from a creator I have been a fan of, but their merch was so boring. Merch tends to be so boring, and it just doesn't justify spending $20 to $60 on it. Maybe $20. Depends what it is. But I just see there's so much opportunity with merchandise, and it's really easy. I feel like it's really easy to make nice merch. All you have to do is slap a good design on there or add a design on the front and back to make it worth it. And I feel a lot of people would be willing to buy it if it just looks nice. So take your time on it, and definitely add a lot of options. There's a lot to play around with merch if you just have a good time with it. So what I'm doing here is creating a few designs in Canva that I'm going to later transfer into Printful. You can also print t-shirts and merch from Canva directly if you'd like some on-hand merchandise, or if you'd like some on-hand merchandise if you do any kind of events or shows. Then I download them in transparent and then upload to Printful. There's a lot of uploading and downloading that goes on here, okay?
They love it when I turn up the bass. They love it when I turn up the bass. They love it when I turn up the bass. They love it when I turn up the bass.
Okay, it's about that time, you guys. We're gonna wrap up this video. I was so happy to get a couple of designs finished, and I'm really happy that at the same time these videos are kind of a bit mutually beneficial. I get some things done, show you guys how to get things done, and also have some fun doing it. I really like making things like this, and then also making content. I like doing a lot of things like this, and it really fulfills my purpose. I do recommend when making an embroidery product on Printful to follow the instructions. It's a different process for making the images and fonts embroidery friendly for printing purposes. I do want to show more ways to take advantage of using print on demand other other than for my website. I've been wanting to do designs for my own daily to-do list and also show you how you can design notebooks and custom stationery. So that is the plan for my next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching, guys.